These aren't your average chocolate chip cookies. Every great cookie starts with simple ingredients, but one extra step makes all the difference. Browning the butter. Browning the butter adds a rich, nutty flavor you just can't get from regular melted butter. These dry ingredients work together to keep the cookies soft in the center with perfectly chewy edges. And here are the ingredients that make these cookies impossible to resist. While the butter cools, whisk together the dry ingredients so that every bite bakes up evenly. Now for the best part, the ingredients that turn these into the ultimate s'more cookie. Chopped dark chocolate creates those irresistible melty pockets. Cut the marshmallows into small pieces and pop them in the freezer for a few minutes. They'll stay right where they belong while the cookies bake. Put everything together just until that flour disappears. Over-mixing is the quickest way to lose that soft bakery-style texture. Lastly, gently mix in your chocolate chips and chocolate chunks. Flatten each scoop of dough, hide a frozen marshmallow inside, seal it completely, roll it in crushed graham crackers, and finish it with a few chunks of dark chocolate on top. Repeat with the remaining dough until you've made about 16 cookies. Bake until the edges are golden and the centers are still soft. If this doesn't convince you to make these cookies, I don't know what will.